Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Project Zomboid server and join it. Firstly, let's go ahead and create the server. To do this, head to Server.pro and into your VPS service. Then create a new server with the green button up here. In the service section, make sure to set it to Project Zomboid. After changing the game type, the options will change, and these are the options you can configure for Project Zomboid. The admin password can also be adjusted if you want to set your server to private. Once you're happy with configuring everything, press Create Service and wait for the server to generate the necessary files. You can monitor the state of the server by heading to the console. You'll know it's turned on if it says Server Started. Once that's done, simply copy the host name and keep note of the port the console states you should use. As you can see, it says 16261. Then open up Project Zomboid. Once your game is opened up, head to join, and on the right you'll see where you can add the server. On this section here, paste the IP we copied earlier. Then underneath, add the port as well. In the username section, you can simply type in whatever name you want and enter a password. I'm just going to be entering a random one like 1234. Once that's done, press add so the server is saved in the main panel and connect. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward and you should be able to enter almost immediately and continue selecting everything. If you're unable to connect, please also make sure you go back and refollow the steps. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to help you set up your server. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us or contact our support. Bye guys!